The Fortinet NSE 6 FortiAuthenticator 6.4 NSE 6_FAC 6.4 exam is an essential certification for individuals who want to validate their skills and knowledge in deploying and managing FortiAuthenticator 6.4. Passing this exam is crucial for network security professionals who aim to advance their careers. It demonstrates their expertise in managing user authentication and access control, single sign-on, SSO, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and FortiToken. Share some Fortinet NSE 6_FAC 6.4 exam questions here. 1. Which two SAML roles can FortiAuthenticator be configured as? Choose 2. A principal, B service provider, C assertion server, D identity provider. 2. You want to monitor FortiAuthenticator system information and receive FortiAuthenticator traps through SNMP. Which two configurations must be performed after enabling SNMP access on the FortiAuthenticator interface? Choose 2. A. Upload management information base (MIB) files to SNMP server. B. Associate an ASN1 mapping rule to the receiving host. C. Enable logging services. D. Set the thresholds to trigger SNMP traps. 3. When you are setting up two FortiAuthenticator devices in active-passive HA, which HA role must you select on the master FortiAuthenticator? A. Load balancing master, B. Active-passive master, C. Standalone master, D. Cluster member. 4. Which two statements about the self-service portal are true? Choose 2. A. Administrator approval is required for all self-registration. B. Self-registration information can be sent to the user through email or SMS. C. Authenticating users must specify domain name along with username. D. Realms can be used to configure which CELD-registered users or groups can authenticate on the network. 5. Why would you configure an OCSP responder URL in an end entity certificate? A. To designate the SCEP server to use for CRL updates for that certificate. B. To provide the CRL location for the certificate. C. To designate a server for certificate status checking. D. To identify the endpoint that a certificate has been assigned to. 6. Which statement about the guest portal policies is true? A. Guest portal policies apply only to authentication requests coming from unknown radius clients. B. Guest portal policies can be used only for BYODs. C. Conditions in the policy apply only to guest wireless users. D. All conditions in the policy must match before a user is presented with the guest portal. 7. Which two capabilities does FortiAuthenticator offer when acting as a self-signed or local CA? Choose 2. A. Validating other CACRLs using OSCP. B. Importing other CA certificates and CRLs. C. Merging local and remote CRLs using SCEP. D. Creating, signing, and revoking of X509 certificates. 8. Which three of the following can be used as SSO sources? Choose 3. A. FortiClient SSO mobility agent. B. SSH sessions. C. FortiAuthenticator in SAML SP role. D. FortiGate. E. Radius accounting. 9. You are the administrator of a large network that includes a large local user database on the current FortiAuthenticator. You want to import all the local users into a new FortiAuthenticator device. Which method should you use to migrate the local users? A. Import users using radius accounting updates. B. Import the current directory structure. C. Import users from RADUIS. D. Import users using a CSV file. 10. What happens when a certificate is revoked? Choose 2. A revoked certificates cannot be reinstated for any reason. B. All certificates signed by a revoked CA certificate are automatically revoked. C. Revoked certificates are automatically added to the CRL. D. External CAs will periodically query FortiAuthenticator and automatically download revoked certificates.